We just arrived in beautiful Willits, California to start a 4-day film workshop with the youth department here. I'm excited to be here. A little bit different weather than it currently is in Arizona. A little chilly. I woke up this morning and it felt like we were in a cloud. So here we go, 4 days of getting 4 movies made. Story, write the script. This was the very first movie. I was in El Paso, Texas, getting ready to deploy to Iraq, and was working. I just got pulled out of film school, and all of these cards. We'll talk more about those after lunch. But basically, that was the whole script with a line, a sentence or two on each one of those. If you need crew, right? Who's going to run the camera? What other? This is the sound team. This is assistant directors. Take about, 10, 15 minutes and then meet back here and we'll go over it.
Step 1, pretend to be sick. Step 2, you get sent home away from school.
The third one was the best?
Yeah.
Right. Try to work wide and then work in. That's it. Okay. And action on rehearsal.
I wish I was great as Steph Curry.
Let's reset back to 1. What direction does the director need to give him?
And you sit back on your pillow because you do not sit like that in the bed.
Yeah, go for it.